Okay, something happened and closed, but okay. So now we can what we can put here. Text. I believe this is the text. Do you see the simple helper? Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put something like I just to change it from this. Alright. And I think our yeah. Now I think it's basically done because if we now I have this already in here, but if you do it from here, you go to where it's I need to do it again. Yeah, save export, and you go to save as local plugin. You can save this as a plugin. So yeah, let's just save it. Plugins are successfully saved. But now go here, and here it is, our plugin. Right now, um, it's a bit, you can't do anything with it, but we can add some things. With main button, there is the, of course, click attribute. No, click signal. My bad. We can connect a function here, and now we can make it so that if this is getting clicked, then something opens. What will open? We will now make it. Uh, we use plugin create doc with plugin UI sync. There is, I think, also without the async, but this is deprecated. So we're just gonna use. Yeah, I'm gonna also here I need the plugin UI ID. So we're just gonna make it uh doc widget. Yeah, it's gonna use the doc widget. So we need to pick a name. Yeah, main doc. That's fine. AI assistant, I love you. Um, let's put main doc. Now here, this parameter where it forces us to give the dog widget plugin to UI info. We can just create this new. Here we need to define the initial doc state, which you're gonna see how it is. It gives us with left, which means it's gonna be here, right, here, top, over here, somewhere over here. Float, it's just gonna float, you know this how it works. And bottom is over here. It is set. So we're gonna put it float because I love this way. I love it this way. Initial enable, it makes so that when user like joins or joins the server or joins the experience, or when the plugin is getting updated, then the doc widget is going to be enabled. Now this depends on the user. I'm gonna put for now as true. Why? Because we want an easy access for it. Okay, initial nav should override. I still don't get what's this used for, but I'm gonna yeah let's put false. Floating excited, of course it means how much of the offset is gonna the widget's gonna take. Um, let's put here. Let's create a frame to see how it works. This is the offset. If I scale it a bit, it's gonna change on the y-axis. From here, the x-axis. I think this size is pretty good. Okay, we're gonna change this. We're gonna round this up. So Let's put for x 400. Oh wait, I think. Oh yeah, yeah, okay, I went good. 200 for 225 or y. Now we need the minimal width, which means how much the window can close. This can be anything, like even 5, I don't know. We can put it to 100. Let's put 100. All right. Now we have created our dock widget. So when our main button is getting clicked, we should wire this up and make it so that the main, sorry, not main button, main dock dot enable equals to not main dock dot enable. So now to explain you this not thing, the not, I don't remember what it's called. Wait, let me check if I can see it from here. Not. No, there is no explanation for this. Okay, so notes is a type thing we can use. It's like main button to the enable to it false. So it checks whether main doc.enable is true or false. If it's true, then it gives the opposite of true, which is false. If it's false, it then gives the opposite of false, which is true. So this means that we don't need to use the if statements. Now, if we reload the script, which means we need again to save it as a local plugin, what will this do is, yeah, create our doc widget, and we can now yeah, this is it. We can now open it or close it. Now I believe that if we change the theme to light, the doc widget GUI is also gonna change, which is pretty good. This is very good. So we're gonna stick with this as the background of our game. um yeah, so I think, wait, yeah, I think a problem exists. We're gonna change this to this. I hope now it works. Okay, yeah. Now it's fixed. Now it's fixed. I'm very glad that I saw that. So we got our widget now. This is what I managed to make, and I was saying that if you close this and open this, then it's working. And if we change to the settings, that our theme from dark to light, our dock widget is also gonna change. So for our use, this is perfect. Yeah, we can. Yeah, let's put dark. I prefer dark. Let's go again to script. Now, as we said earlier, we need to make a music player. Yeah. How I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna. What are we gonna do? I think there is two ways. Let's start with there's two ways that we can make this. Either make a doc widget UI, like put it over here maybe, or you can make a GUI of GUI, what's called screen GUI over here. Now I don't think which is better. I think both are good, but let's stick with the doc create doc widget plugin GUI. I think local. Let's know now. second, maybe uh, music player doc equals to, it's gonna create a new GUI. Let's keep this like this, and we're just gonna change this to right, and yeah, I need some number that goes through. Yeah, of course. No, not false. Sorry, my bad. The the Y we're gonna. I think we're gonna change for sure the Y. You need like to 150. Now for the X, I don't know how it works, but we can maybe put. Oh yeah, let's do it 80. We can maybe put 108 here. So now let's make it so that see it, our music player dot enable equals to true. Let's see how it works out. Save the script to save as local plugin. Script yeah. Yeah, okay, so now okay, it opens it. That's very good. Now let's change our doc widget title and name it music player title equals to I'm gonna put fa for like a shortcut. um, Music player. So this of course is gonna put a name over here, a text over here, which is gonna mark our doc widget. Let's also make it for the main doc. Main doc.title equals to Fahrenheit. Now we can put like a version maybe. Local like let's for yeah, for practical reasons. Local version equals to this one, yeah. So just make sure not to be confused with version here and version which are of course deprecated, but they are saying the version of the Lua. So we can put here our version. I prefer to making it this way, which enable us this version. Basically the brackets mark that in this space we're gonna put a variable. Okay, so the brackets are not gonna be shown, but the rest of this, yeah, it is. So you, of course, I'm gonna. So oh wait, if you don't want to do all this trouble, just you can put a new tab and then add tools, search for plugin, and I use save as local plugin. This is what you need, save as local plugin, but the others you're gonna use them also. Plugins folder is for the folder where your plugins are being saved, where you can also delete your plugins you have saved there. Yeah, that's it. So we can just now save as local plugin from here, which is even easier. Script, yeah. Fahrenheit 1.0.0. Okay, that's perfect. Let's also check our music player. Okay, it's working. Yeah, of course we are gonna not enable it from here. we're gonna use something else. We're gonna use a button. So how to add now interface in our Fahrenheit 1.0.0 widget. Of course, we're gonna just put the GUI. Now for our GUI to stick with the with the theme of Roblox Studio, we need to parse more code, but what we can make with even schedule is just use blue colors. So let's start with local. Let's just make text label. So you also put new text label. And this is for parenting. I'm getting port with dot parent, so I'm gonna put here. I forgot to make it text label, but we can make it how to call it um title label. Okay, let's put that. And just dot new main. So now a new instance is gonna be loaded here. Now we need to configure it. So what I like to do is make the entry point to vector dot new 0.5. With this way we can actually answer it on this line, on this vertical line, and the y number we're gonna put it only to 0. Why? Because this way we can make it so that the title goes here in this section. Now we just need to set the position, because otherwise it's gonna be like over here somewhere. Dot position equals to, let's do from scale 0.5 comma 0. So we've done that. Let's also configure, we need to configure the border size pixel, because by default, I don't know why, but by default it's changing this to 1. So we do that. Yeah, title label dot size equals to I am from scale 1 comma 0.25. So now it's gonna take all this line over here, which is actually pretty good. We can change a bit the position, so like 0.5, just to make a little bit of space over here. We can also use UI padding, but I prefer this. Now, or UI list layout, of course. Now that I have created this, we can now let's change the background transparency to 1, and let's put the text to let's put, oh yeah, we could actually use here the rich text, which is gonna give us some HTML format powers. So for example, the text equal to, let's make it so that it's gonna get bold, or let's make the fence, but I don't know how to do that. Maybe font face equal to, I'm gonna change this monster, which is, yeah, it's a face, it's actually a face. Font face equals to monster art. Now we put here bold, welcome, and that's basically it. Now we also need to put title level.text scale equals to true. So what this enable us to do? It's gonna, let's see what's the result of this. Yeah, and it's not doing anything. Let me think. Maybe next. Well, if I don't find it, then we can just use the AI or not the AI. Oh, wrong. Sorry, wrong file. We can use Google for this. Oh, I found. Okay, so now this works, but I don't think it's actually master app, but it's okay for now. Wait, maybe. Yeah, let's make it for sure. Text label face where's the person? Yeah, it's double R Montserrat Montserrat. Okay. So for the size, just because the text is too big, I can just make the size a bit smaller. Now we could run it, but let me first color the text color to like color height from. I'm gonna use HCV. You're gonna see why, but let's just use this for now. So now it should. Okay, so it's working. I don't, about the lag, I don't know how to fix it, but if it's working, it's working. Now I want to test something with this. I don't know of how much it will work, but my guess it's gonna work. Now if we uncolor it, it's gonna be like that. Okay. Now, what if we change the theme? How it's gonna be it? Let's see. Okay. Yeah. It's not that good, so we're gonna change that. Let's change that. Yeah, let's keep this for now. Only dark theme. But we can change this. Then we can use get children. Yeah, get children. Yeah. So we're gonna hook up a module for this. This is gonna be UI theme. Yeah, let's skip this. Let's go over here and do a simple thing, which is this is a library. I think I don't remember what's it, but let's make a firenet plugin equals to plugin. So we can parse this now to the to the modules. Let's also set metal module to J. So this will give us access to the Z even better. Let's make local plugin equals to UI theme dot Fahrenheit again. Now I think this is gonna work. I'm pretty sure that this is gonna work. Plugin.name. Okay, let's do that. Just check if it's there. Print plugin.name. So right now, if we're gonna run it, yeah, we also need to require it from here. Let's require it from here. Require script.ui thing. Maybe here. So this also for test. Oh, I forgot about the blue. Oh, there's the blue solution, the blue color solution. Okay, we're gonna do that the blue color solution because it's more advanced probably. I did wrong button. Let me see. So let's go here. Save as local plugin. No, is here. Hmm. I didn't know this wouldn't work. Maybe I know why, but if it's not working, then I'm gonna put this here. Let's test now. No, no, no. Let me see. No, it's working, right? Yep, it's working. Alright, so can now remove this over here. We got this with a Qualcomm. Of course, we got this. And we're gonna change a bit the position, like to 0.1, and the text color is gonna be something like make it like blue something, blue to dark, probably. Let's pick it somewhere over here. Then put it. Yeah, let's put it here. Seems pretty cool. Let's save it. Yeah, it looks pretty nice now. And eventually, if we change the theme, guess what? It's gonna be so cool. Yeah. So we got this awesome dog widget. Now we can let's change the size a bit. 25, yeah, that's good. Now let's make also a local. Let's name it. How should we name it? Yeah, let's make it the continue button equals to instant new text button main doc. This is gonna be comma 1 continue button dot position custom, yeah, like that. All right, I like you, assistant. Oh yeah, oopsies. Oh wait, I need to answer this probably. Well, let me continue now. Now I'm going to change this to music player doc. Now do control and then and okay. So I feel like this would work. So yeah, let me put this dark because better, of course. Dark is always better. I'm gonna close this for now. Yeah, so I'm gonna make it so that when this happen, thing the hard title label dot visible equals to false and our continue button dot visible equals to false. So let's see if this will work. Of course it will, but let's always check it. Okay, let's probably remove the background transparency and let's actually color our background color. Let's use, yeah, let's use from the HV. I'm gonna use probably something like that, but maybe also something like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna change this. Let's do it in another time because right now I need to leave. Goodbye.